going to explain how to edit this scheme details file for your specific scheme. First, you need to prepare a document like this, which contain all the information of your scheme. Here I am showing a document of Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. The name of the scheme is that, and basic info about it. You need to prepare a document about it, and beneficiaries means for whom this scheme is very useful, like students or employees or the student who want to go abroad, like that. After that, the key features of scheme, the how this scheme will work, and the key features of it. After that, how to apply, the complete details, how to apply, who are eligible for there, the complete details you need to provide, and the links which are the links of the website for this scheme also you need to provide. After that, the official website also, and if there is any helplines and email IDs specifically, you need to edit all these. And after that, the references from which website, from which resource you got this information also you need to provide here. Like here sections are scheme name, basic info, beneficiaries, key features of scheme, how to apply. After that, references. Okay, you need to prepare a document before editing the HTML. Okay, now close this one, open the HTML file which is provided, and go to 150th line. Okay, after that, copy and paste your document details here. Now I am show you how to copy and paste your details here. Here the scheme Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana is my scheme name, so I want to copy this one into the HTML file. Here you can see your scheme name goes here. Please, in place of this, paste your scheme name. Now check whether this HTML is working properly or not. Save the file which is you edited and open with any browser. Here I am using Firefox. Here you can see this is a basic view, Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. Yeah, and now go to the HTML file. Again, you need to give some basic information. You can check whether there is a section. Yes, basic information. And go to the HTML. Basic information is there, right? And your text, in place of your text, you need to copy the text which you gathered. And I'm doing here with hands on. And now check this one and refresh your page. It is looking good. Okay, and now next. Now here you can see the beneficiary. In between beneficiary and this text there is lot of space. So why it is came here? Because of this break statements. BR means break statement. Now I am removing it because my text is enough one, and save it and refresh the page. Here you can see there is no more space. And now in the beneficiary space, beneficiary means to whom this scheme will be worthy and belongs to. Here beneficiary name for whom, my scheme is for school, college dropouts and unemployed youth of India. Okay, I'm copying this and pasting here. Your text goes here, the line number 162. In place of this I'm pasting. And now check the HTML in the browser. See here, there is a gap between the beneficiary and heading and the text, so I'm removing it by removing this break statement. Okay, break means the complete, starting less than and in between less than and greater than, and BR is called break statement. Okay, I'm removing break statement in the HTML and again refresh Okay, here the space is removed, and same in the bottom also. mm, Remove all break statements. Yep, the key features come up. Now in the key features, we got this, and for my key features of my scheme is this. I prepared before and copying total thing, and instead of copying total thing, I'm copying point by point because statement 1 statement 2 is there, right? So point 1 is this one. I'm pasting and save it. Check whether it is updated or not. Yeah, it is updated. And remove this one because already there is a dot is it is showing. It is the key point. Okay, save it and refresh. Okay, right. Next, copy the second point and paste it statement 2. Paste this key feature in place of statement 2 and check in the browser. Yeah, it is updated. And now again go to the HTML place. In place of statement 3, copy our key feature, which is key feature of our specific scheme, and update. Okay, it is working. And we are providing 5 statement, but if your scheme has only 4 statement, well, you need to remove one. Yeah, here I don't have any fifth statement and key feature of my scheme, so I don't want this statement 5. So I am removing this statement 5. Okay, and click in the web browser. Okay, it is fine, looking good. Now how to apply? We need how to apply the section. Just watch our website web page view once. Okay, this is a basic information and beneficiaries. Next, key features of the scheme. Okay, here the basic. There is a space between these two titles. How to edit this? Go to this page. In that, check where is the space. Here, 3 breaks. I removed both of them. And after that, the above one. mm, I'm removing this feature. Now check our website. Yeah, it is looking good, right? How to apply? Go to the doc which you prepared before, and in that copy the content. And here you can see here you wrote one by one, whereas in this HTML page it is like step 1, step 2. Please copy the total thing instruction by instruction and paste it, and step 1. Here I'm doing same thing, replacing step 2 with the step 2 statement, replacing step 3 with the step 3 statement, and finally replacing the fourth one with the fourth statement. Remove these numbers, it will be take care of. HTML will take care of it. Now check the website. Yeah, it is very good. Now go to here. I have one more step 5. Please remove it because I don't know. If you want one more like step 6, copy this and paste it. and make it as step 6 and work with it. Okay, here I don't want step 5 and step 6. I'm removing it. Okay, here you can see. Hmm, now open the browser, check whether is everything is good or not. Everything is good up to here, but there is a space. Okay, there is a space here, so I want to remove it. Why? Because this space occur because of break statement. You given a break statement to be look good, but actually it is don't need, no need of it. And the further details and can be obtained by the website link and helpline numbers and email ID. Okay, in your doc you prepare a website link, right? This one, and copy and paste it in the place of website link. Here it is a heading is already there, paste it. And but I have, here you can see I have two website links. One is this and one is this. In place of this, I will let it like website link one, and I will copy it with including li and paste it again. In place of this website, I will provide my another website link. But that I will get two website links at a quick place and change this as website link 2, and go to here and check ID showing this one, but it is showing like it's like a text, but we need to give this as a HTML link file. For that we need to give like I'm writing here code. Okay, in between li we need to give a here the link which we need to give. This is the link and the name before completion of a give the name like here PMKVY. See here I am getting PMKVY. By clicking it I can use this. And the third we need to give like this after giving two links. Okay, here I am providing one, and helpline numbers are here these for student and for smart and this. So I'm copying one by one because you want to arrange in a proper order, right? Mm. Helpline number one, in place of helpline number one, I'm pasting it, and all three. If you have one more, then please copy and paste any helpline, means helpline 123 is there now. In that, please take any one and copy and paste it, and means duplicate it. You will get one more choice to edit. Okay, yeah, see here updated. But if you have one more like helpline for 3 and 4, then copy this copy this line from this cl to this cl and paste it. Mm, yeah, in place of helpline 3 you can give helpline 4 also. By that you can create more. Okay, now I don't need a 4 numbers. I need only 3. That's why only have 3 one, and the third one is replaced with my third helpline number. After that email id same. I prepared my dog, but okay, copying same thing in this website, but the places I'm showing how to copy it. Okay, after that, here you can check the website once. Up to here everything is good and looking nice. Now the references part, from where you get this data. Okay, references. Before the references there is empty space. I removed it just now. Mm, Again, the references of my scheme is like this for three of them. Copy one by one and paste it in the place of the reference. Means here I am copying my first reference, and after that the second reference in the place of a reference 2, and third reference in the place of reference 3. You can create more number of references by copy and pasting them, and you can uh, remove these references by removing them. Here my references. You can see this is my complete scheme page. Okay, don't go for this slider. The slider will be edited by the editors, and we need to edit this file, this information file, and rename the file name. Okay, this is provided now. Please remain this as oh, like your scheme name in the short form dot html. Okay, html is already there. I'm editing it, and please cross check. Open this with a browser which is like Firefox or Chrome. I'm using here Firefox, and if it is work properly, then it is completed. Now it is looking good, right? Okay, our work is completed. Thank you.